Guys, Volcanion has suddenly arrived. Randomly, it appears randomly. And we have Volcanion. Yes. Yes, sir. And I'm not sure, should we do another round of our super bosses? I don't think we have enough time for that. What is the move that Volcanion has? Water Pulse. I think what we are going to do is go to the Master Bolt here instead. We need a couple more battles. Or we need just one more battle, guys, in order to reach our master, what the heck is this? Total points gained, Torchic Cup Star. So just one more battle, guys. We are going to switch Pokemon. I think these Pokemon are good enough. I hope. I hope. I hope. I heard also that you can also restart this just in case, you fail. And I'm going to do that if we fail. Charge boost is horrible. We are not going to put charge boost. We're just going to put grappler or something. Because charge boost kills you. And that said, let's do this. Gonna restart this. If we lose, we have to win. What the? We are losing, guys. We are losing that. Again. That was horrible. Hey, I want my Scorbunny. There you go. Sleeping Scorbunny is super cute. Thank you for the tip. I think that was Andrew. I think. Let me just check in my other phone who gave me that tip. No, it's Angel. Thank you. So we are going to go back Battle Royale, Master Bolt here. Probably... Were this the last Pokemon we try to fight? Let's try again. Hopefully things get better. If not, we're gonna renew. Oh my gosh, we're losing. We are losing. We are losing. Nope, we are going to renew that. I'm uploading videos right now. It's 2:42. After this, I am off to bed. I'm happy that I completed all the characters in Pokemon Masters already. I want another red at least to level up his sync move to level 3. That's pretty important. Hopefully 5, but 3 is good enough. I think, rather than 2. Okay guys, one more time. Battle Royale, Torchic Cup. I didn't have any trouble last time here. Oh my gosh, they look strong. They look super strong. Let's just fight. If not, I'm going to put my ice type there. Oh my gosh, I am losing the fight. I'm losing the fight. I don't care if anyone... Oh my gosh, scary. Nope. Nope. What is happening? I didn't have any trouble with these yesterday. Sorry guys, repeating a lot of times. But I cannot waste that Volcanion footage we got earlier. 2:44, I should be sleeping by 2:45. It's okay. Just for you guys. Also, I uploaded our dance cover. It's been a long time since we did a dance cover. Not really, but it's been a long time since I uploaded a dance cover. Hope you guys enjoy that. Battle Royale, Torchic Cup, Master Bolts here. I'm gonna switch out Magmar and put in Mamoswine. Going to give you a Grappler, even though Lobber should be your thing. Oh my gosh, it's not that strong. Renew. Yeah, let's just come on. You have to win. You have to win. Oh my goodness. Come on, you have to win this. Oh my gosh, how could we win this? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. 1 against 1. Come on! Come on! You stupid. Ugh. I'm gonna pause this, guys, until we win. I'm not gonna bother you with watching this horrible thing. Guys, I think we stand a chance now, hopefully. I'm not sure, maybe not. Oh boy. Oh boy, pause. Finally won, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't want to repeat this again. 70,000 points. We can do better, but for today, it's 304. I don't want to repeat this. Swap shop. I think we already have a title. Title Torchic Cup Star. Yes, receive. You got Torchic Cup Star. And let's just... I'll do the remaining attempts tomorrow, guys. Menu, profile, edit, change title, Battle Royale Star, Torchic Cup Star. There you go, guys. On top over there, your title has been changed to Torchic Cup Star. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys very soon. 2 days left for Torchic Cup, guys.